Hey!
What's up? So right now we're driving over to...
in half a mile, make a U-turn up any street.
So right now we're driving over to TD Garden, and we're gonna film some nice sunset shots with the Mavic of a building that's being built, or that has been built on top of TD Garden and North Station. It's the Rapid 7 global headquarters. There's a little park there next to the building that I think will be a good place to take off from. And this has been kind of a tricky flight to plan out because it's a pretty busy area, but I have a new Part 107 license, and I used the Kitty Hawk app to schedule a blank flight through the FAA where you can get automatic approval. So I can do 100 feet over in this area. I also had to do a DJI Geo unlock for Fenway because there's a Red Sox game today, but also Logan Airport. It's a beautiful day, the weather's nice, the sun's coming down, and we're gonna get some good shots. Or something going on, so it's very busy. It's very hard to find parking, so we parked in the north end by some Italian place and walked through all the little streets to get here. Why is it the way it is?
What's your ND of choice right now, Alex?
I think I'm gonna do the 16. See, this is my zone right here. You see this zone? This FAA approval zone right here.
One battery down, Alex. How you feeling?
One battery, feeling pretty good. Trying to sneak some shots of the garden and the bridge, but I have to do it not over the highway, so I have to kind of sneak that one too. Got a pretty nice wide of the building. Probably the first thing I'm gonna do again is go up kind of over this plane right here, right to the top of my altitude. There's a little gap in the shorter building, and I'll pull back to reveal this building.
Look at that amazing view. Now that shot right there 20 years ago would have been millions of dollars, right?
Yeah. I was just trying to get some pics, you know. I always forget that when I'm up there that it's good to take pics too. We got all the shots I think we need for Rapid 7. Sun's coming down. It was a beautiful sunset. I had a couple different approach paths. I took some shots with the TD Garden in the background, and it also didn't look that crazy, even though there was... What was the artist that was playing?
Shawn Mendes.
Shawn Mendes. Look at these people getting dropped off in a limo for sure.
Really big night here at the garden.
Kind of crazy environment to fly through, but we got it done. Mavic 2 performing great as usual. Beautiful night, great shots, tons of flying, hour and a half in the air, and we're done. So hire me for any of your drone stuff. I'm 107, licensed and insured.
Shawn Mendes, have fun.